Once a week, I like to practice linear fills in a stream of consciousness type setting. I start way slow. I don't even think about tempo. I'm not thinking about note value or time signature. And what I try to accomplish is stitching together different linear patterns until I'm comfortable switching back and forth between them. It seems like every time I work on this, I speed up too quickly. I'm really good at not having patience. And what I try to do is pace myself as I dial up the speed, and I'm thinking about not getting stuck on the same pattern. I try to stay diverse in what I'm playing, switching from one pattern to the next, trying to be as smooth as possible with my transitions. There's a look at something that finds its way into my practice routine once a week at least: stream of consciousness linear patterns.